Hey, welcome to Star Plant Patio Garden. I am Pam, and I'm about to give y'all a garden tour of the patio. Here we go. This is Champ C. Champion call it from MI Gardener. Champ C. Star plant in this pot. This is a 22-inch pot. Champ C. This is Cuba, or Cubanelli pepper, Cubi. This is Sweet Bee, sweet basil. Sweet Bee was going through, but she coming back. She thriving. She waiting on her sister Cherry. Cherry is currently in the GICU, Guardian Intensive Care Unit. This is the cute family. They're going good. The cute family. In this pot, I got some summer squash. It's dark green zucchini. So yeah, nothing germinating. I just planted these. So now we wait. Planted these the same time. Garden beans, big kahuna. And see what they do. This is the bush variety. It said I don't need a trellis, but we'll see. I might pull it. Big kahuna. Now I'm gonna show y'all the stackable. This is the Timu stackable. And up top we have the Borge crew. Let's hear it for the Borge. We got the zucchini. I think this is MI Gardener variety. We got one little oregano down there. So hopefully it grows. We have the California grape. And I think this is, American seed. Zinnias. We got the Thai basil. Hopefully they get stronger. I might have to put more soil in there. I'm not sure. Someone help me in the comments. Are they worth saving? And this is dark opal basil. So hopefully they get stronger. In my garden. As you can see, I did number these to help me know where everything is. This little sneak peek of the compost, it is breaking down really good. I do have to feed it again, and we'll have a video of that. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Comment, what are you growing in your garden in this summer? Also, thank you for rocking with me with the 12 days in the garden video series. I'm trying to get them out for you guys. This is helping my channel grow. So go ahead and watch the whole video. Comment, ask me questions, give me pointers. I appreciate everything. Love you guys. And remember, let's sow and grow with purpose. See you later.